Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a related rates word problem. The word problem is two objects are moving away from same location at the same time. Object A is moving due east at a rate of 3 centimeters per second. Object B is moving due north at a rate of 4 centimeters per second. Find the rate of change of distance between the two objects 2 seconds later. The first step is to draw a diagram for this problem. As per the problem, object A is moving due east at a speed 3 centimeter per second. From the same location and at the same time, object B is moving due north at the speed 4 centimeters per second. We have to find the rate of change of distance between the two objects. We have to find the rate of change of distance between these two objects. The distance between two objects is represented by this line. This is a right angle triangle because the directions east and north are perpendicular to each other. For this problem, we'll have to use variable t for time because we have to find the rate of change of distance between these two objects. Let's assume the distance between these two objects at any time t is x. So we have to find dx over dt. In t seconds, object A will travel a distance of 3t. So we can draw another right angle triangle. In t seconds, object A will travel 3t centimeter. We get this value from the formula distance equals speed times time. The speed of object A is 3 and time is t, so distance is equal to 3t. Similarly, object B travels distance 4t centimeters in those t seconds. And the distance between these two objects is represented by this line, which is the hypotenuse in this right angle triangle. X is the distance between these two objects at time t seconds. In order to find dx over dt, we have to write an equation for x in terms of t. For that, we should use Pythagorean theorem because this is a right angle triangle and we can use Pythagorean theorem equation to write an equation for x and t variables. As per the Pythagorean theorem equation, in this equation, c represents the length of the hypotenuse, which is x, and a and b are the lengths of the other two sides of the right angle triangle. We can solve for x by applying square root to both sides. We only consider the positive case when we apply the square root because x represents the distance between the two objects and the distance cannot be negative. So x equals 5t. Now we can find the value of dx over dt by finding the derivative of this equation. On the left side, the derivative of x with respect to t is dx over dt. On the right side, 5 is a constant, it's the coefficient of the term, so it will stay as it is, and the derivative of t with respect to t is 1. I get dx over dt equals 5. 5 is a constant, that means dx over dt is a constant. It does not depend on the value of t. So dx over dt, or the rate of change of distance between the two objects, at all times is equal to 5. So the rate of change of distance between the two objects 2 seconds later is also 5. This is a very important concept we need to understand to solve this type of problem. The unit of 5 is centimeters per second because the given unit of speed is centimeters per second. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.